Sirataman and you are watching Health Fanky. Today I am sharing with you how protein shakes help you lose weight. The modern world is rich in various health plans. There is a tremendous tendency to take care of your organism and body. It is not going to be a surprise that our well-being depends on our daily plan. That's why we should follow all the recommendations to support our immunity. However, not all of us have such an opportunity to do everything to stay healthy. Moreover, many negative factors can damage our overall health. As a result, people suffer from various health issues such as obesity, etc. Traditional ways to lose weight. Our organism is a particular thing. Every day, it requires receiving a specific dose of material, vitamins, and other useful nutrients. If you want to be healthy, you should follow a healthy living plan and take care of your overall health. Sometimes you cannot do this. As a result, we face unpleasant health issues. One of the most widespread problems is extra weight. It is essential to get rid of it as it can cause many serious illness. There are many fantastic methods, but still not all of them are effective. You may have heard a lot about weight diet, fat burners, protein shakes, meal replacement, pills, workouts, etc. All of them guarantee fast results. In any way, you can follow diets only for some periods. It is the same situation with pills, meal replacement, and other drinks. They can give you some result, but after you finish take them, you can give an extra fat again. Speaking about workouts, they should be regular. They are instrumental and can maintain a healthy weight. How to increase effectiveness? Every time you face such a health issue as obesity, you are searching for information on how to lose weight fast. Of course, you can try some diets and weight loss products and reach the desired effect very fast. Nevertheless, in most cases, when people turn back to their regular daily plan, they can gain extra pounds again. Moreover, such a method can be harmful to your overall health. That's why the best way to burn fat and stay healthy is by working out. However, it takes much energy and power, so you need to consume healthy food to get all the nutrients you need. If you don't have such an opportunity, you can try some protein drinks. By Shakeology reviews, it is one of the good protein shakes which work. As a result, you will lose weight without damaging your overall health. Recommendation for shake consumption. When you are looking for effective weight loss shake, you should pay attention to its consistency and customer reviews. Moreover, you should understand that it is not enough to use this shake as you need to do some working outs to fasten the result. Shakeology is one of the best meal replacement shakes, but still, it will be better to use it as a meal supplement. The average dose is drinking this shake twice per day. It is safe for your organism. As a result, you will boost your metabolism, get much power and energy, support the immunity, suppress your appetite, and lose extra pounds. It is available in several flavors, so you can choose the best one for you. You can find out even chocolate protein shake. All of them taste delicious. So, if you drink Shakeology and do some workout, you will not just lose weight fast, but refine your overall health as well. All people have different organisms. That's why the same weight loss product may give different results to different people. In any way, it is essential to understand that it is not enough to follow a diet plan. If you want to lose weight fast and keep your body in a perfect form, you should do some working out and take meal supplements. Shakeology is the best weight loss product that is high in protein and low in sugar.